Hello science friends, today we are going to make 2 gardens for Earth Day. It's pretty simple, we're just going to use some kitchen things. You probably have some dried beans in your cabinet, that's what we're going to be using. Do not use canned beans, do not use frozen beans, that won't work, but you're going to have to use something that hasn't been boiled or frozen. So these are cowpeas, and the way we're going to make 2 gardens is one, we're going to use nothing but a paper plastic bag, a napkin, get the napkin wet, nice and wet, take another napkin, well, this turns out to be just about the right amount of water, put it together. So you want it to be damp, but not swimming in water. These fit fairly well into a Ziploc bag. One, two, three should be plenty. Now at this moment what you're going to try and do is get the air out. It's damp, but not too damp. Press and press the air out of the bag, and it's ready to grow, believe it or not. So this is going to take several days before we start to see it sprout. The actual embryo of the plant is right there at the inside curve, and all the rest of that seed are the nutrients it will use until it can get water with its roots and air with its leaves to make its own food. So what we're going to do is put it up here on the window, right by my garden outside. And a good scientist loves to take data. So today is 4/18. This is a dry erase marker. You're going to be able to write right there. And we're going to be able to track the growth over the course of days. Ready. Okay, science friends, for my second garden, we're going to use a smaller bag. Just a single paper napkin. Get it wet. Not too wet, but not soaking. And the tricky bit for this is to get it to fit. So to fit in this smaller snack size bag, I'm going to do a fold like this, a fold like that. This one, you're going to want to get it a fairly close fit, because you're going to be carrying this around with you. This is what's called a pocket garden. So get it to fit in. Now one thing I might do if I was doing this in the classroom is I would have figured out the exact right number of milliliters of water, and I'd be putting them in for each student. You're going to have to just get it damp. 3 seeds. So you want them to be able to absorb the water, but not drown in the water. Seal it up. And this time, the instructions are really different. This time, once you got it flat, all the air out of the bag, you're going to fold it up, and you're going to put it in your pocket. And I am asking you to carry this bag around with you in your pocket for the next 7 days. Again, look at this one I already started. You'll see that already the seeds are starting to swell as they absorb the water. They like the warmth, they like the darkness, and in my pocket, as long as you're gentle, you will actually get to see the seeds sprout as you carry them around in your pocket garden. Have a great week and have a great Earth Day on Wednesday.